Introducing Profound RF Microneedling System from Syneron Candela. The skin maintains a youthful appearance by producing collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid, which provide skin volume, elasticity, and tensile strength. Around age 30, the body begins to make less of each of these key skin components, with catabolic, or breakdown of skin, exceeding anabolic, or restorative activity. This loss of dermal volume and skin elasticity leads to laxity and wrinkles. This aging process can be slowed by treatment with Profound, a breakthrough RF microneedling device from Syneron Candela. By increasing the relative level of anabolic to catabolic activity after treatment, Profound promotes production of collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid to restore a youthful appearance. The Profound radiofrequency microneedling system is the first and only system clinically proven to create new elastin and collagen with a 100% response rate. Let's take a look at how the system works. An innovative microneedle electrode array is used to deliver RF energy to the skin. When activated, the electrode array is deployed within the reticular dermis. This minimally invasive approach enables sensors within the electrode tips to be strategically positioned in the tissue being treated. First, the sensors measure tissue impedance to verify proper electrode placement. Bipolar RF energy is then delivered between the electrode pairs, creating controlled fractional treatment zones to precisely create the desired level of thermal damage to the tissue. During energy delivery, tissue temperature and impedance are actively monitored and used to control the treatment. Physicians can, for the first time, select tissue temperature and time at temperature as clinical endpoints. The Profound system then optimizes energy delivery based on real-time feedback from the tissue. As a result, treatments are customized for each patient based on their skin response, ensuring consistent and predictable clinical results. At the end of each treatment cycle, the electrodes are automatically withdrawn and the devices repositioned and activated on the next treatment area. The skin cells quickly respond to the treatment by releasing an arsenal of cytokines, the proteins responsible for promoting the wound healing process. The initial cytokine response recruits macrophages to begin removing damaged tissue. Macrophages then release a second set of cytokines to recruit fibroblasts to the site of injury. Fibroblasts are the key anabolic cells that will replace heated tissue and restore the skin to a more youthful stage. As healing progresses, macrophages decline and fibroblasts increase, resulting in the production of new elastin, collagen, and hyaluronic acid. In scientific studies, the Profound treatment has been shown to increase the relative level of anabolic activity to catabolic. The surge of regenerative activity significantly increases skin thickness and volume. This dermal remodeling process accelerates during the first 2 months following treatment and continues for 6 to 12 months. Wrinkles diminish, contouring of the jawline and neck are improved, and the skin becomes more supportive, restoring a lasting, natural, and more youthful appearance. With consistently predictable results like these, you can expect highly satisfied patients and a strong base for referrals. Profound from Syneron Candela is a groundbreaking aesthetic treatment for your patients and your practice.